This is Policy Pointers, where we explore the world of life insurance and its role in creating a lasting legacy. In today's episode, we'll discuss a fundamental question: who needs life insurance? We'll dive into the statistics and scenarios and even an example to help highlight the importance of life insurance coverage for individuals and families. So let's dive in. Before we explore who needs life insurance, let's take a look at some eye-opening statistics. According to recent data, there are approximately 2.8 million deaths each year in the United States alone. Out of those, a significant percentage of individuals leave behind outstanding debts, such as mortgages, credit card bills, or even loans. On the average, the amount of debt can range from $500 to $15,000. In addition to that, the cost of burials and final expense can place an additional financial burden on grieving families, averaging easily $10,000 to $15,000. Obviously, in many cases that deaths happen, those numbers are drastically higher, 100 or 200 or 300,000, depending on, somebody's business loans or mortgages that they have set up for their family. So now that we've touched on that, let's consider a few scenarios that shed light on who could benefit from having life insurance coverage. First, let's talk about individuals who have dependent children. If you're a parent, life insurance can provide financial security for your child's future. We never want to think as parents of our passing. This is something that is very personal to your family, and life insurance is something that can really help bring peace of mind to something that is a serious concern for every parent in this country. In the unfortunate event of your passing, life insurance can help cover expenses such as your child's education, their other day-to-day needs, food, housing, and truly just ensuring that your children's lives are not disrupted, that they could theoretically stay in the home where they already live, that they might not need to change school districts, and that they can have the resources that they've had all their life up to that point. Life insurance can bring a tremendous amount of relief to a family, and specifically a family's children when something bad does happen. So obviously children are some of the most important reasons why somebody might buy life insurance, but it's not just children. Another group that can gratefully benefit in general are just people that are income providers, right? Sometimes we're care providers for others in our family, right? You might actually be caring for your parents, adult parents, or a sick aunt or uncle, or maybe even you have a godparent, or if you're just the primary breadwinner in your family. Life insurance can be used to replace your income and help those loved ones maintain their current standard of living. If you pass away and the income that you bring in from your job goes away, we have to ask ourselves, how would that impact the people that I'm responsible for? Life insurance can help replace that income. It can help provide a safety net by covering the ongoing expenses for things like mortgage payments, utility bills, and other daily costs of living. Life insurance can offer that peace of mind knowing that your family will be financially protected in your absence. Another person that might need life insurance would be a stay-at-home parent. It's not just the primary breadwinner that has a financial impact on the family. A mother or father that stay home and may not have a traditional income still have services that they're providing to their family. Things such as childcare, household management, caregiving. All of those things have significant financial value. In the event of their untimely passing, life insurance can help cover the cost of hiring help to fulfill these roles, or even just making sure that the other parent maybe doesn't have to work anymore so that they can fulfill that role themselves. But those stay-at-home parents, moms, we see you. Know that we understand here at Southwestern Legacy Insurance that you bring a value to your family. We want you and your spouses protected. Now, let's take a look at a real-life example to bring it home here, to illustrate the importance of life insurance. So let's meet Sarah. She's a single mother of two. Sarah understands the financial challenges that her children will face if she were no longer around. To safeguard their future, Sarah would be wise to invest in a life insurance policy. If her children are left without mom at home to take care of them or mom at work to help pay for their lives, life insurance can step in and help take care of those children. That life insurance can provide a safety net for their current and future education, their medical expenses, and many other needs. It can truly help allow them to maintain a stable and secure life. And as a parent myself, I think we all know how important that is. In conclusion, The question of who needs life insurance is answered by examining various scenarios and statistics. Life insurance is crucial for those that have dependents, those that are primary income providers or stay-at-home parents. It's also important for business owners, people that have business debt. Okay. If you own a business and your family relies on it, it's not just your income portion of it. It's also making sure that the business is solvent for years to come. Your business partners can, replace your contributions. In many, many cases, businesses will get insurance on each owners if there's a multiple owner situation to ensure, no pun intended, that if one owner does pass away, this is called key persons insurance, that the business will be compensated for that lost person, that productivity and the value that they brought to their business. So life insurance is robust. There are many different reasons why you may need it and how it can bring value to your life. Ultimately, it's going to help provide financial protection to cover all those outstanding debts, daily expenses, education costs, and other obligations that you're responsible for, and specifically for those that you care most about, so that they're taken care of in your absence. So thank you for joining me today on Policy Pointers, Unraveling Life Insurance. Remember, life insurance is not just a luxury. It's a necessity for safeguarding your family's future. You should always consult with a qualified life insurance professional to help guide you through determining what those appropriate coverages might be. And here at Southwestern Legacy Insurance Group, we would be happy to help you navigate that conversation. Please reach out to us and we'll make sure that your family is protected and your legacy is passed on.